Here's a pretty good representation of Gasser from the 60s. They usually had a straight axle on the front in order to minimize the weight. They raise them up in the front so they can transfer the weight to the back as much as possible. The tires of this period, they were not that good. They were like truck tires. They were pretty stiff. They didn't handle a whole lot. So most of at the very beginning of the 50s, they used to have running starts. So that's why they have the transfer of weight. Got a bench seat. Not necessarily a competition car, but just something to have fun with. Got the look. The ride period.
And you'll get a ticket that could be worth $50 courtesy of our sponsors.
And of course,
at the end of the event.
A big engine with two big Hollies.
Welcome to downtown Eustis. Looking around and turn around and saw all of those beautiful cars out there on the grass park. I would like to invite you on the street. There are multiple spaces.
Pretty good amount because they didn't make a whole bunch of them. This is Buick's answer to and actually it's as fast as gives you an idea.
All right, 1951 Chevy, beautiful color, very clean inside. Look at this motor, a lot of nickel and chrome. Paint's pretty flat, nice rails. You got a stagger wheels. Expensive paint job, says the owner. Look at that beautiful bed. Tailgate, all clean all around. Look at the inside with the gauges.